Hi everyone, this is Chris from Chris and Academy Photography. Last time we talked about using a single off-camera flash to create clean light for a nice business portrait. Today we are going into the studio and working with multiple lights to create a high-key look for a fashion shoot. Come on, let's go have some fun.
What's going on in Pixel Studios? Well, look who's here. It's Mr. Chris Smith. How you doing, man?
How are you? Nice to see you.
Long time no. Yeah. Been a while. Been a while.
Good to be back in the studio.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Perfect. Nice. Good smile. Chin up a little bit. Confident. I like it. And do one where you're kind of holding the purse with both hands, so you're kind of doing the sweet and innocent kind of look. Nice. Good. Perfect. Turn your head a little bit this way. Nice. 1, 2, and 3. Don't look so pissed off. Come on. There's my smile. There you go. Got it.
Wait. What are we calling it, Sarah? 30 classic garments. 30 classic garments.
30 classic garments. I like that.
Yes.
This is Sarah's daughter, Katie. She's like our stylist.
I saw where you were like directing, floor director there. Yeah.
Yeah.
High five.
Yes. So your mother is one of the models here, one of the ladies, one of the inventors, one of the authors.
So we probably want to switch our lights up a little bit.
Okay, what do you want to do, sir?
I've done a gray, I've done a white. Let's gel the background a little bit.
Gel the background.
Hey dude, these gels are cool. They look like they have history.
You know what we may end up having to do?
Pull the main light a little further away.
Yeah, because that main light's just going to blow it all out. So you have you've started a YouTube channel from what I hear.
The last video I did was just a simple one light headshot. And today we're doing a pretty simple like 3 light background type setup for modeling portfolio, fashion shoot / product photography. And we are at Pixel Studios because it's the best place in town for this type of photo shoot.
Boom.
And yeah, so we're going to change some lights up and shoot some more.
Play some more. Alrighty then. Yes, there you go. So tell me about this portable studio you have. I've seen like your motorcycle.
Yeah.
And then the next thing, you're in a location and you're set up for a shoot. What in the world is this?
Well, so the motorcycle basically is a convenient, easy way to take portable speed lights and do an entire studio setup on location.
Really?
Yeah.
So there's no need for me.
Well, I just have to clone myself, so I'm assistant and photographer. This is nice, though. I get an assistant built in.
Yes, all built in. Hello, Sarah.
Sarah's going to be modeling for us next.
Yes, I am. With Julie.
With Julie. All right. We're doing a duo.
Awesome. And are you from Charleston?
No, I'm from Spartanburg.
Spartanburg. Well, you're from our state, our beautiful state.
That's right, the upstate.
The upstate.
While we're taking a little break, I'll just tell you very quickly, we're shooting with the Nikon D850, very high resolution, lots of great pixel density, 70 to 200 f2.8, classic lens, perfect for this type of work. We're shooting tethered, so...
Tethered. Tell us what this tethered is all about.
Tethered just allows the pictures to go directly to the laptop, and I'm shooting directly tethered to Lightroom, so they pop up immediately in Lightroom. The client can look at the picture, make sure they like them. I can go to full screen there for you. And then the cool part is I can apply a preset so that before it even gets to the laptop, it instantly puts the color the way I want it, the contrast the way I want it, so that the client sees it exactly the way it's going to be processed later.
So you edit before it's even taken?
The computer edits it even before I even gets in here. Isn't that amazing?
Wow, technology.
Yep. And then the client can see it before we even leave the shoot, so they know they're happy with the shots.
That is really cool.
I'm going to change the background again. We're going to go back to gray. nice white background.
So how do you change the, wait a minute, you said you're going from white, this is a white wall.
Yeah.
Now all of a sudden you're going to light it so it becomes gray. How do you light it to become gray?
And all we have to do is turn the background lights off.
Oh, so you take the light off and then it becomes dark.
Exactly. Oh, so we have this big octabox that's softening the main light. This is our main light. It's got a grid in it, and the grid prevents the light from spilling onto the background, so we can make the background gray.
Ah, and you've been doing this for a while, haven't you?
This is my second day.
Second day,
I'm just
yeah.
figuring it out. It's
you know,
okay.
you really got it down. You get light. You know, if you can't dazzle them with brilliance, and you know how the rest of that goes.
I got a good camera.
I got a good camera. Yeah. So seriously though, how long have you been doing this?
Oh, I shot my first solo wedding in 1992.
Wow, that was 26 years ago.
I'm not good at math.
But was photography something you grew up with?
Yeah, photography was a passion of mine since 10th grade, and made it a career, went to college for it, and do what you love and you never work a day in your life, right?
Something like that. Or win the lottery for 1.6 billion and don't do anything.
That'll work too.
That one too.
I'm non-denominational, both Canon, Nikon, Sony.
You know what? They're all the
Panasonic,
same. They all make great pictures.
Why does one person drive a Ford, one person drive a Toyota? Just different ways to get to the same
different ways to
result.
get to the same place. Yeah.
Before we get into that subject, we have a model bag.
Ooh. Yes, ma'am.
With pockets. I love pockets.
That is summertime.
Oh, that's cute.
This is Julie's dress.
No,
this is Julie's dress. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
But you can tell it's a little, you can tell she made it because she's got a longer torso today, so we're not going to do a back shot.
That's what they call seersucker, isn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sucker.
Cool. How's those look?
Those are good, I think.
Katie says they look good. I agree.
Here we go. Good smile. That's perfect. Very cool. 1, 2, and 3. I love that pose. Julie, just tuck your your left elbow in behind you a little bit more. Got it. There you go. Cool. 1, 2, 3. Good. Chin up a little bit, Sarah. Nice. I hope you enjoyed that little behind-the-scenes video from Pixel Studios. Once I get back to the office, all I have to do is connect my laptop to the desktop and transfer the Lightroom catalog and the RAW files, do any additional polishing I may need to do, and then transfer the images to the client. That's all there is to it. Sarah and Julie are fantastic clients, and I always enjoy working with them. Their former book, The Tunic Bible, will be linked below, and of course keep an eye out for the new one on classic sewing. I'd also like to send a big thank you to LeRoy at Pixel Studios. He's an awesome guy, and I love being able to just wheel in with my camera. No need to bring any lights, no need to bring any light stands, don't even need an assistant. He is so helpful and helps me set everything up. If you haven't had a chance to work with Pixel Studios and you're looking for a studio space to work with, give him a call. It's a great place to shoot. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little video. If you would, please like, subscribe down below, and share the video with all your friends and family. And I will see you next time.